So more than 10 years ago, I'm doing television, so I wanted to protect my hair. I'm in a weave, and this woman braids me up, and I knew it was too tight because she had one eyebrow like all the way up here, the other one was down here, and I was like, I'm not even tender-headed, but like, for real, this is a problem. Braid was so tight that it actually popped out of my scalp, and I had a bald spot like the size of a nickel right at my hairline.
I remember. You were mortified.
Beyond mortified. Beyond
You're a
angry.
TV personality, and now you've got a bald spot
What am
right
I
in
supposed
the
to
front.
do with that? You know I love a bun. What am I supposed to do with
Right.
this? So when she created this butter, I said, can you make me a hair butter? Like legit, you know, I want something that's super moisturizing. My hair is natural now. I just want something that will, you know, help me to keep it right. And so I started using this when it was in its beta stage, and
it's
the
my
truth.
second product that I came out with, and it's our biggest seller.
When she was first getting started, I'm a real friend, and I used to travel along with her to the trade shows to help her sell the products.
Yes, and she could sell some products.
Let me tell you, this was selling off the shelves. We could not keep this.